Employee journeys can be a mess. Pre-boarding, onboarding, internal moves, exits, too much manual work. Enterprise tools, too complex. Employees are left waiting, and productivity drops. Guiding employees through change shouldn't be this hard. Meet Journeys, a lightweight workflow tool to move faster, save time, and create a smooth employee experience. You're welcome. Create templates and reusable steps. Build once and use again, and again, and again. Get new hires ready fast. Send the pre-onboarding checklist via personal email. No IT setup, no delays. Keep things moving. Assign tasks, track progress, automate workflows, and stay GDPR compliant. Simple setup, easy to scale, and integrated into our ATS, Tellent Recruitee. Over 7,000 companies already trust us. Why wait? Give your talent the journey they deserve. Book a demo now.